What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to be looking at this Bwrethay professional USB microphone. All right, so here we have this packaging here. We're going to go ahead and open this up, and here's what we got in the box. All right, so inside our package here, we've got some instructions of how to install this. And now, what I have noticed with this particular mic, they do sell it under various brands. But it looks like this is just a generic packing list that's going to go in every single one of them. No specific branding, but you can see here this is a regular 192 kilohertz 24-bit sampling rate. Again, you'll see a lot of mics in different packaging, but I believe it's the same equipment. Okay, so we have our screen here. Got our USB cords. Got the actual microphone. You can see here the connection for the microphone right there. On the packaging, you would assume that it would be a different connection, but this is the connection that they're using here. So if you wanted to, some of them showed a picture of like a USB-C. As you can see, this is not a USB-C. So if you wanted to plug this into something with USB-C, you would have to get a converter to convert that over in order to make that work. Okay, we have the holder here. We have the mounting arm. Microphone cover. So this is what's inside of your box. Again, you get the screen, USB cable, mounting hardware, mic, and the cover. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this piece here. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the side of the desk and get that mounted into place. Next, we're gonna take this here. I'm gonna slide this in this spot right here. Then we're going to tighten that down. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this arm right here. We're going to screw this in place. So I will say it's a little easier to install this after you take it out because you don't want to get it cross-threaded. So figured I'd take it out first, make it a little easier, then I'll screw this back on. Next up, once you get all of that in place, we're going to go ahead and slide the microphone in. And if you want to add this screen here, the way this gets added is by putting it onto the actual arm here. So let's see if we can get that in place. So I'm going to tighten this up here. Then I'm going to put this right here on this arm. Tighten that down, and then you can bring your screen however you'd like in front of the microphone. There we have that. Then we do also have the cover. I'm going to put the cover on. This is where it goes right here. Slide that on. And then, last step, you've got your cord here. You take this, plug it in underneath, like so. And then you are ready to connect it to your computer of choice and get ready to do those recordings. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get this hooked up into the machine, and we're going to do a comparison of the actual onboard mic on that particular machine versus this Bwrethay new USB mic to compare the differences. This is the standard quality of the mic on board the MacBook Pro. We do not have any input gains added. This is just at a decent distance away from the machine recording with the internal mic. This is now the quality of the Bwrethay USB mic with the screen and the microphone cover on the mic with no additional gains on the input. So now this is the quality of the USB mic just using the screen but with no cover on the microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the quality of the USB mic with just the cover on the microphone, just the cover on the mic. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the quality of the USB mic with no cover on the microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the quality of the USB mic with just the microphone cover. I've added an input gain of 20 on there, and based off of the waveform, it looks like this is a much better output coming from the microphone. All right, so as you can see from this video, having a USB condenser microphone, whether it be a entry-level model or a higher-end model, is definitely going to improve the audio quality of your productions. The only one thing I'll say is it would have been nice for the connection on this mic to actually be a USB-C, so it makes it a little more versatile with plugging into other devices such as your mobile phone and other current USB-C products. It's your boy BT. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.